welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hoping you're all doing well. It is currently Thursday the 19th of August. Today is my birthday evening. I really had a fantastic day and I'm really grateful to everyone who has wished me a happy birthday. I'm really thankful. I don't know how I can appreciate you, but my heart is full. I'm grateful to my best friend. We had some really good day, and yeah, welcome to this video. So on today's video, I'm going to be doing a unique video, a video I've never done before, and today I'll be unboxing a gadget which I've just gotten as a birthday gift, and I'm so excited. I will be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max in the shade silver. Yeah, so I guess we're gonna get straight into the unboxing. Before I continue, I just want to mention that my iPhone 12 Pro Max is an upgrade from my current iPhone 11. Yeah, so let's get straight into the unboxing. Is currently setting up and we'll be done. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in to watch this video. Kindly get to like, share, comment, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe for new videos every Monday. Always remember that you get what you give, and until my next video, peace and love. Bye.